We are at the 6th annual Richie Lecture here at the Wonder Lab in the Equinor Gallery. It's absolutely brilliant.
Wonder Lab, the Equinor Gallery, is a brilliant place to be. There's all sorts of things that you can try and experiment with. So rather than just looking at a story of a historic person, this is an opportunity to really get in there and try things out for yourself. Today we'll be doing a lecture called The XX Factor, and it's all about 6 amazing women in science. We would really like to raise the awareness of some of the women in science that have done really fascinating things. We desperately need more physicists and engineers, and so we really want to try and encourage girls to not rule out these subjects because they're so fascinating and there's so many interesting jobs you can do with them.
You had lots and lots of girls there, lots and lots of hands shooting up. They were totally engaged, totally fascinated by what Wendy had to say. The Richie Lecture is so important to engage young people into science, technology, engineering and maths. Without these young people, we don't have a future in those subjects.
We're so short of STEM graduates in this country that we need all sorts of people to see that it's something that they could do and something really varied that they could enjoy. So I really hope they sort of go away more enthused about the fact that science is for everyone.
I had an amazing day and it was really cool because we won the quiz.
I think it was a really good show and I had a lot of fun. Even though we might have not won the quiz, I think it was a fun experience today. Can I say everything? I loved everything about it. It was a good day. It was just a good day.
I want to definitely try and learn more about science.
I'm definitely going to try some of the different experiments that they did.
I want to actually be the scientist actually.
I love to come next year. I think that is very inspiring to show that no one's limitless and that we are able to do anything that we dream of.